2 alpha minus 3 cosine.
No, 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 no.
That means alpha is...
No, 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 no.
And so delta will be... Cosine.
Come on, let's go.
Go where?
To the hospital.
The hospital? Why?
What the fish? You've been sneezing too much.
Ma, I sneezed once.
Bewakoof, shut up. We're going.
Ma, I don't need to go.
Then here, take this water with honey, lemon, ginger, haldi and tulsi.
No.
You idiot, take it. Oh, you're such a drama queen. Sneezing and coughing. I'm calling an ambulance right now.
No, Ma, please.